How's it going for the reaction? This is boy Victor here, and today we're going to be reacting to Curious George of the APES by Animation Domation High Def. And the description says, the curious monkey finally finds his purpose on this planet. Okay, let's begin in 3, 2, 1, go. I like his intro. Man, look at all those monkeys.
Well, George, it's been a fun day at the zoo, but it's time to go back home. Right, the zoo is a wonderful place, but it's time to go back to the house now. Okay, we've had enough fun. Let's go. Come on, George.
What the?
Let go of me. Hey! Take your stinking paws off me, you damn dirty ape!
Oh my god! He's turning evil!
George! George, please! I didn't mean any of it! What are you doing?
What the?
Monkeys!
Oh my...
Where are you going?
He's trying to get revenge on the man with the yellow hat. Oh no. He's been kidnapped.
George, please, we have to go home.
Oh my goodness. I did not expect this. Oh man. Man, that will give me nightmares. Oh my goodness. That was really scary. What the? Scientifically accurate Barney. I have seen that one before. Yeah, I have seen that one. Okay. Well, that was Curious George of the APES. Honestly, he was gonna take revenge of nothing. Okay. I think I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.